Afternoon, folks. It is Sunday, the 2nd of February, and I am starting to tear down. Just removed the wood burning stove right there, and a lot of this stuff I got to put outside. My bunk, I got the propane and the heater. That little red thing with the blue funnel, that's my nighttime urinal. The Lowe's bucket over there is my toilet. I come in to get my gloves. So there they are there. Got to clean this stove out before I pack it away. So we'll see y'all in a bit. Yeah, I'm breathing hard, folks. Going in and out of there and in and out of there. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes with clothes in them. What I want to do is go through every one of those and sort out what I'm going to need for this trip, because I have not taken 7 boxes. I'm hoping I can get everything down to that one box right there. So if not, I may just move it over to the larger box right there and take those, but we'll see. So bring y'all back when I'm done. Okay, folks, got the awning down. The screen shelter I had around it, it's trashed. Should have put another tarp underneath it all the way, but ants and bugs ate their way up through the floor, and we're building nests inside there around all my electrical stuff. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'll find something different. And right now I've got to take a bunch of stuff out to my son's house, drop it off. So I've got room to put most of this stuff. I'll come back and I'll tear down the tent. I should be done and out of here, hopefully in about 4 or 5 hours. And rearrange the trailer and the back of the truck to get everything in. That tent will go into my storage unit. I have a brand new one of those already in the back of the truck. So that one will go into my storage unit. So we'll bring y'all back later when this stuff happens.